Hi students, good morning all of you and welcome back our online class Science 7th Standard. Students, today we are going to continue our revision chapter 2. Okay students, that is the nutrition in animals. Okay, so in previous classes already have discussed that revision 1, that is the nutrition in plants, how their foods is taking and how that depending their different types of foods plants are there and what are the autotrophs and what are the heterotrophs of plants already we have discussed in the previous video. But students, today we are going to discuss about the nutrition in animals, how that animals are taking the food, how it is digesting and it nutrites all the nutrients. We will see that in this video. Okay students, so I have written there some fill in the blanks, state true, false and some question answers we will discuss in this chapter and in this video. So first question, students, observe nutrition in most animals is dash. Students, so whatever that animals are taking the foods, these are the some solid foods items. So what is that is called as, that is called as a holozoic nutrition. So, okay, so holozoic nutrition, that it will be, you can say. And second one is liver secretes gas into the small intestine. So to digest the cellulose and that whatever fats and other things are there. So digestion of what is that? Digestion for what is that? Liver is secreting that water, bile juice. Okay. In stomach, hydrochloric acid is mixing with the foods, but some fats are there which one cannot digest. For that, liver is secreting that water, bile juice from the gallbladder. It is secreting that water, bile juice, which one is helping to the digestion of water, fats. Okay. So it we can write secrets bile juice, bile into the small intestine. In amoeba, gas are used for the procuring food, to catching the food or to movement. That in amoeba, pseudopodias are helping. Okay, pseudopodias are element like hands like it there, and a irregular shape. You can observe that if you draw the pictures, you can understand our students. These are the called as pseudopodia. Okay, these are called as a pseudopodia. Okay, like finger structure like that, both sides it is there. So these are called as a pseudopodia, and it is helping for the capturing or that procuring the food items. Okay, of that to the what is that? Amoeba. So in amoeba, pseudopodia are used for the procuring the food. So we can write what is that, friends? Pseudopodia. Next friends, fourth question. The stomach in ruminants is dash chamber. Friends, it is from those are grass eating animals. It is having that some the stomach is different parts. 4 chambers are there. Already we have discussed it. Okay, the 4 chambers. So that is called as ruminant. So it is called as how many chambers are there? 4 chambers are there. Next friends, we can see that our state true or false. Digestion of the starch starts in the stomach. Okay, digestion of starch starts in the stomach. It is false statement. Okay, it won't be start that in starch. It won't be digested in the stomach. In a small intestine going after, it will be and there what are there are 4 chambers are there. So also in that ruminants inside also there it not starts in the stomach. The tongue helps the mixing food with the saliva. Yes, it is true. Because whenever we are food we are taking and chewing, at that time tongue from the tongue that it is helping that what a saliva and secreting like that, it is mixing and with the foods, it is mixing with the foods. Okay, which one? Saliva. So it is true. Bile juice is stored in the gallbladder. Yes, it is also true because it is secreting from the liver. Liver contains that what? Bile juice. Food is mostly digested in the stomach. Friends, it is food is mostly digested in the stomach. This is false. Why it is false, friends? Because food is completely digested in the where? Small intestine. Okay, so food is not mostly digested in the stomach. It is a false statement. Okay, friends. So these are about that fill in the blanks and a statement true or false. Now we are going to discuss about that answer the following questions. Some important questions also here, dear students. You should see what is first question. What is bile and where is it produced? Give its function. So what is bile? Bile is a juice. Bile is a juice which are secreting from the liver or from the gallbladder of the liver. Okay. So bile is what is that? It is a juice which one secreting from the gallbladder of the liver. Okay. And it helps to digest of fats which are present in the food in the small intestine. It is secreted into the small intestine and it helps to the digest of the fats. Okay, whatever foods you have taken that it contain that some fats. If that fats food types of we have taken, how it will digest? It will digest in the small intestine. How? Because the liver secretes the bile juice and that it is mixing with that fats and that foods and it will digest. Okay students, so bile is a juice secreted by the liver. It helps the digestion of the fats. Second, how is the digestion different from in the human from that of ruminant? Students, ruminant means what? That those are grass eating animals having that 4 chamber stomach, that is that stomach contains that 4 chambers. These are called as ruminants. And humans digestion things and ruminants, those are grass eating animals, that are different. How they are different we will discuss. Friends, human cannot digest that what cellulose. You should remember friends, human cannot digest the cellulose because it has no that some chambers are like that system. We are direct chewing and taking to inside, and it is not possible to digest that what a cellulose type of that is like grass like that items are there, no, so that we cannot digest. Okay, but cellulose is digested where? In the ruminants, because first of all that partial digested, that means first that animals that grass eating animals first will chew, no, first directly will be swallow into the first chamber of the stomach, then after partial digest, after it will come to that again back to the mouth, and then after it will start to that what chewing. Okay, stomach is not chamber. In our human beings having only one stomach, there is no chambers, but ruminants having that what stomach having the 4 chambers. Digestion of the food starts from the mouth and it is completely in the small intestine. Friends, whenever food will start, whenever we will keep that mouth inside, that from there it will start that digestion, because whenever we will chew that in mouth, then after it will go to the stomach through that esophagus and it will go to the stomach, hydrochloric acid it will mix, then after it will be digested something, then after it will go to the small intestine it will mix that bile juice from that liver, and then after totally it will complete digestion, then after by the wheeling it will be receive that all that nutrients, then remain waste things it will go to that large intestine, then after it will go to that our rectum and it will come out through the anus. Okay, so these are the things about the digestion of the human beings. But in ruminants, food is not start the digestion in mouth, because it directly that ruminants directly swallow that all that food, grasses, all the things, whatever the food, soon, very soon, and it will store in the first chamber of the stomach. Then after, whenever it will get that free, whenever it will get the relaxed, there is no danger from that predator, from the other animals, then at that time it will bring to back to the mouth and it will start that chewing. Okay, so it is so far difference. Food is swallowed and sent to the first part of the stomach and for partial digestion. First of all, you will swallow that all the food items and keep in sent to that sent to the first chamber of that stomach. Then after, when you will get that time, it will bring to that water to the first and to the mouth. Okay, so like that partial digestion is not brought. That means here again does not back to that our mouth. In the human being, see, whatever food enter to that stomach, it does not want to back again mouth. But in ruminants, what they are doing, partial digestion after it is bringing to the mouth and again it is chewing and then after it is going to that second part of the stomach. Okay students, these are about the question answer, and other remain also you can discuss, and especially about the figure, what are the digestion system, what is that our liver, what are the body parts in that, you have to mark it and you have to practice. Thank you all of you. Have a nice day.